Hey, for decades, physicists have been trying to calculate what happens when subatomic particles collide. The math was a nightmare, hundreds of pages of complex equations called Feynman diagrams, just to describe a single interaction. But in 2013, a team of theorists discovered a cheat code for the universe. They found a single, jewel-like geometric shape that does all the work for them. This is the amplitude, the end of space and time. The most shocking thing about the amplitude isn't just that it makes math easier, it's what it implies about reality. In our daily lives, we assume space and time are the fundamental stage where everything happens, but the amplitude exists in a higher dimensional space that has no time and no space. When physicists calculate the volume of this shape, the answer they get is the probability that particles will collide in our world. This suggests that space and time are not the foundation of the universe. They are just shadows cast by this deeper geometric object. Why the old math was broken. In traditional physics, we use two main rules. Locality, things can only be affected by what is right next to them. Unitarity, the probability of all possible outcomes must add up to 100%. To make the math work with these rules, physicists had to write out thousands of terms. The amplitude ignores these rules entirely. It focuses only on the geometry of the interaction. When you calculate the volume of the amplitudron, the properties of locality and unitarity emerge automatically as a result. It's like discovering that the laws of physics are just the side effects of a shape. The jewel at the heart of quantum physics. The amplitude looks like a multifaceted higher dimensional jewel. Its structure is based on a mathematical concept called the positive Grassmannian. By changing the facets of the jewel, physicists can describe different types of particle interactions without ever needing to draw a single path or use a stopwatch. It suggests that at the most fundamental level, the universe isn't made of stuff or events, but of geometry, the holographic connection. This discovery ties into the holographic principle, the idea that our 3D universe is actually a projection of 2D information. If the amplitudron is real, it means that space-time is an illusion, an emergent property that pops into existence only because of the underlying mathematical structure. If we can fully decode the amplitudron, we might finally find the source code of the universe, the master geometry that explains gravity, quantum mechanics, and the Big Bang all at once. Pretty wild, right?